What are you? We're about to find out. If your file is going to be run as a script or has any functions that need to be imported into other modules, you really should be using this name equals main if statement. And I'm going to show you exactly why in this video. In order to understand why it's important, we first have to see what happens when a Python file is created. So when a Python file is created, it automatically creates a few special variables in our file, and one of them being the _name variable. So if we comment all this out, make a few spaces, and we print dir, which essentially is a function which shows all of the elements and attributes of our file, we can print that and see a _name variable here. So let's navigate back to our primary file, and instead of printing out dir, let's print out _name and see what happens. We print out name and we can see that it's equal to main. So name is equal to main. But what if we wanted to import primary into secondary and print out the name of primary in another file? Let's try that out. From here, we're going to import primary, and after importing primary, let's just print out primary._name. So this line right here is going to print out the name of primary, which was just main. But let's see what happens when we do it in secondary. We can see that it is actually set to primary. So primary.name is equal to primary. And it actually printed out name twice, which is kind of weird because we only asked it to do it once. So why is that? The reason why it printed it out twice is because we imported primary, and when you import a different module, what it does is runs all of the functions or commands in that file, in the file it's imported to. So for example, if we were to print out hello here and save that, we don't have print hello in the secondary file, but if we go ahead and run it, you'll see that it prints primary and hello. So we can actually solve this problem using our if _name equals _main if statement. So let's copy and paste all of this, uncomment out what we've got here, and we've defined a function called run, and we're going to make run print name and print hello. So since name actually does equal main in primary.py, and we're calling run within that if statement, this should run and just say main and hello in our primary.py file when run. So let's try that out. And it does. But we know that in secondary.py, when you call primary.name, it is actually equal to primary and not main. So this if statement should not execute, and run should not execute anymore when imported into secondary. So if we do this, it should not return the same. It should just return primary, because we're printing primary.name, and we know that primary.name in the secondary file is equal to primary. So we've solved our problem, and things are not being run several times when importing. So to quickly summarize, the if _name equals _main statement allows you to import and run Python files while ensuring that certain functions and commands only get run when you really want them to, and not upon import. I hope you found this video on the if name equals main statement helpful. Now you can implement it in your own code. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps my channel a lot. Thanks for watching. See you next time.